I was hoping tonight would look more like an accident. Drunk driver, less questions that way. But I'm gonna just shoot you.
Can I ask a question? Why all the fuss? I mean, I'm just some guy.
Oh, hell, it ain't you. It's the Roadhouse. So you're gonna kill me now?
Why would I kill you?
Well, that was stupid. I'm just gonna go right back up. Oh, shit! Oh, my... Fuck you!